Hi everyone, welcome to Career Talk. Somebody asked me in the comments to create a video on hard work versus luck. So in this video, I'm not just covering hard work versus luck. I'm also going to discuss about smart work and destiny. This will help you put these things in the right perspective. So let's start with number one, destiny. What is destiny? Destiny is something like if you were born with a silver spoon, let's say you were born in a very wealthy family, then that is your destiny. Versus if you were born in a middle class family or a poor family, then that is your destiny. Which means you don't have any control over your birth. You were destined to be born in that particular family. So that's an example of destiny for you. One more example of destiny can being at the right place at the right time or being in the wrong place at the wrong time. Which means if you are in a flight and if something goes wrong with that flight, you don't have any control over that situation. You are in that situation just because you are destined to be in that situation. Or you may be in a place where you get to meet somebody really influential without any efforts from your side, then you were destined to be in that place at that time. So these are some examples of destiny. Now let's talk about point number two, which is luck. Luck is nothing but a game of chances. For working professionals, especially those who want to go on site, if you have applied for a H-1B visa, you know that there is a lottery system in selecting candidates for the H-1B visa. So a lottery system is nothing but luck. If you get selected in the lottery, you get a visa, you go to US. If you don't get selected in the lottery, then you don't get the visa. So getting selected in the lottery is example of luck. But then some people talk about creating your own luck or making your own luck. And let me tell you how this is related to point number three, which is hard work. Because if you take a step back, you will realize that your boss or your manager would select top performers or good performers or people who have made good rapport with the customer or people who have good communication skills. Your boss is more likely to select these people for the H-1B lottery. So if somebody is not performing well, if somebody is not having good communication skills, if somebody has not built a good rapport with customers, then the chances that your boss will pick their name for a H-1B lottery are a lot less. So in order for you to even get to that stage of lottery, you need to perform, you need to do hard work. So that is an example of how hard work and luck are correlated. So unless you do that hard work, your name is not going into the lottery, and that's how these two things are related. Now let's go to point number four, which is smart work. If you as a professional know how to use technology, how to use tools, or how to converse with people in a smart way, then probably you will be able to do a job quickly and more efficiently as compared to other people. This is an example of smart work. For example, if you're using an AI tool or an automation tool to recognize patterns and derive insights quickly, then you are doing smart work versus somebody who is putting a lot of manual effort. So this is again an example of smart work. So in my view, what we need to do is we need to have a combination of smart work and hard work, because if a job requires you to put X number of hours of effort, then that much of hard work you need to do anyway. But if in that process you are able to identify things which you can automate or do in a smart fashion, then the combination is deadly. And how do you increase your chances of success, which means how do you get luckier, is by expanding the horizon. Or let me take an example of job search. If you are looking for a job and you are sending emails to 10 people, then the chances of success is dependent on those 10 emails. Versus if you're looking for a job and you are sending out emails to 100 people, because now you have sent emails to 10 times more people. And how do you become smart in the process is by writing the right words, is by creating a very laser focused resume, and also by aligning your resume to the job description. So this is a combination of smart work as well as increasing the number of people that you reach out to, which means the probability of success will be more, that the chances of success or the chances of getting luckier are more. And last but not the least, another example is networking. If you are part of networking groups, you never know, you may run into a startup founder in a networking event where he may get impressed by your wisdom or skills and you may end up getting a job offer. So being at the right place at the right time also requires certain efforts. And hence they say that you can actually carve your luck or make your destiny. I hope you were able to understand and relate with all four things we discussed in this video. Let me know in comments if you have experienced some of these things. I'll be happy to read and respond to them. Do share this video in your network if you really found this useful. I'll see you in another video soon. Take care and bye for now.